Welcome to Animal Kingdom. Let's get it done. Wow, and there it is. The Tree of Life. That is just awesome.
Not your line, that's the line for dinosaurs sticking all the way out to where we're...
Whoa, it's the floating mountains. Looks so good.
Fun, that.
Also actually a very high blood pressure. Makes sense. Now you might have known that one of the ways you can tell the difference is the flamboyance of flamingos. That is a part too. While black rhinos, they have pointed prehensile upper lips. One of those predators have ever had. Yeah, over on the left, those are all white rhinos. They're blocking the road. Now the ostrich holds 2 world records.
Here's the dinosaur cafeteria. Pretty cool in here, literally.
Okay, you're ready.
The size of this bad boy.
What's your main sandwich you're gonna eat?
Ridiculous. Turkey focaccia. We are now in the search of the tigers.
Liger. Tigers are lethal creatures at 25 pounds. After 25 pounds, even worse. Alrighty, girls, ready?
Whoa! Bubbles and the bubble zone at the end of the show to the left. That's the bubbles at the end of the show and the bubble zone. Nasty boys. Whoa, that Finding Nemo show, absolutely brilliant. The statue actually lines up with the points of the mountain in the background. We're now in the queue for Expedition Everest. Both pretty knackered now. Been here about 6 hours. When saw the line, came that was really good. The queue for this is, it says an hour and 20 minutes, but I don't think I'll be that. Expedition Everest was absolutely insane. Didn't end up queuing all that while, it was like 40 minutes, but it was so good. There's a bit where you're going backwards in the pitch dark. Oh, it's just class. Such a hot day, even the locals are having a drink.
You want the fishies to be out here? They have fishies.
Have a quick look in here, get out of the heat. It's about 37 degrees today. Still nice though, not complaining. We've just been on Dinosaur, that was absolute class. Oh, lovely aircon, feels so good.
The scale of it, there's nothing they couldn't do, is there?
So we're now leaving the park. Absolute brilliant day. Was pushing 40 degrees, which was a bit much at times, but such a great day. We got here about 9 o'clock this morning and it's now 8 o'clock in the evening. Gonna head back to the hotel, maybe have a dip in the pool, and then look forward to tomorrow. So see you soon. Bye.